Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Okay, I got a little bit of mix of cars behind me, right? So today's focus would be the Supra. Okay, this is actually the latest release from Y model. Um, hang on, that's the latest release from Y model. So I hope to do a little bit of comparison actually, because this would not be the first time someone has done the Mark IV A80 Supra. However, I think I can say they will be the first one, right, that made it with the open hood. Well, the hood is actually a separate piece, so they actually did the engine details in there as well. So I do hope that I can actually do a comparison with this one. Okay, so the other brand that has done this, Supra, would be the initial model. Okay, so this one, there. So it has Max Orido's name on it. So this is actually Max Orido's body kit. Okay, it's called the RIDOX body kit. So Wire model has proceeded to do that. Basically, the Wire model packaging wise, it's pretty standard. They are very usual with the outside protector, and then the Wire model, yeah, very basic packaging. Okay, crafted in China, nothing else. However, it did come like this. Uh, so it's resin, okay. The it's resin, and then it's two screws, okay. So it come in a base like that with running number. 499 pieces. Okay. So the hood was actually taped at the back, all right. And then when we got the sorry, it's a very tight space, so I may knock into the camera holder a couple of times. Okay, so it came in a Ziploc bag like this, and then it comes with the metal plate holder. I think I'm gonna call it a holder. Yeah, it's what material is this? I think I'm gonna call it stencil, metal stencil kind of material. Okay, it's hard, so probably you can stick it on the front of the car, or no, actually at the back. Oh yeah, on the front. This one will be to go to the front. Okay, and at the back they have already done it for you. Okay, and then the very famous Max Orido's plate 559. Okay, all right. So yeah, as what you can see, right, these cars are already all out of the box. Because that's um, actually the reason why is because I do live unboxing whenever there's any new arrival, right. I will be doing live unboxing over at Collectors Cube, QB on Facebook and also on TikTok. Yes, I do live sessions over on their platform. Okay, so yeah, I already got that out already. So I think what I will do is, because I haven't got the initial model version out, so what I and I've yeah, I've not shown it to you guys before also, right. So this one, um I think the key difference would be the figure. That's one, and also the overall packaging, because this one is actually, yeah, we can say it's endorsed by Max Orido. Yes, definitely. You can see his photo in the background. Okay, sorry, the camera is not focusing. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and supposedly that's, oh, and that's his signature. Okay, so this is actually one of the most popular A80 body kit out there actually. That's what I understand, because one of the main reason is because it really maintains the curves of this Supra. So yeah, that's why it remains one of the most popular one um, in the market. Okay, so I'm not gonna remove it out of the base actually, in interest of time. Okay, so it comes with a figure, die cast. So I think more accurately, I wouldn't call it a figure. I think I will call it a statue actually, because die cast, right? Okay, so up until that point, right, initial model, I think they made the best Redox kit Supra out there. Okay, up until up until this came out, because still, initial model did a very well job on this casting. And the only thing is that they have been pumping out so many different colors on this same kit. So a little bit crazy to try to collect them all. Anyway, so quick recap. This is actually die cast, not a resin. Actually, a lot of people thought that it's resin, but it's not. It's actually a die cast. Okay. All right. So mine, I can't recall now when was this released. I think 2020, around 2020 or 2021, right? So mine has started to have paint issues. Yeah, quite a few of my initial models are starting to have that little paint rash thing. You can see it, right? Yeah. So yeah, with the initial model ones right now, what I'm doing is yeah, all of them I have to include that silicone gel thing. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Okay. Anyway, so let's go. I want to focus a little bit more on the wire model actually. So what made this car legendary, right, is actually because of the mainly, not only but mainly because of the engine, because it's really very tunable. Stock it's actually 326 horsepower, but without changing any internal parts, right, they can actually tune it up to 800 horsepower. So that's the thing about the 2JZ. Okay, that's a crazy thing about the 2JZ, which came in this Supra. That's one of the reasons why I made this Supra such a legend right now. Okay, so overall build of from my model is actually really very nice. I think it's really very detailed. So that's kind of the reason why this is actually higher price than the rest of their lineups so far. Okay, so overall I do see they did basically initial model has done quite a pretty decent job, quite a great job actually. So we can see some of the details where die cast would not be able to achieve. For example, like this piece right here, right? You see how Y model has done it. You can have that advanced sticker down there, and also the RIDOX name down there as well. So I guess that is actually a little bit of a challenge. You can see how detailed it is, and it's in carbon fiber finishing as well. So that is probably something that diecast was is not able to achieve right now. Okay, so that's why resin model still has their uh, fair share of the market piece of the pie in the market. Okay, where there are still resin collectors and people are willing to pay higher price because of that details. That's why that is the reason why they're priced higher. Okay, even though in your hands, right, it really feels very weird. It is really very light. Resin is actually pretty much a type of a plastic. Okay. All right. So very nice. We go to the front. Okay, head to the front. Look at that. Look at the headlamps. Done very nicely. Done very nicely. So, yeah, I think I just did a quick comparison, right? So, initial model probably I'll keep because of the brand, but definitely in the amount of details, Y model still wins over. There we go. There we got the focus. Okay, look at that. So it does show that initial model does really give out a lot of details, having being one of the higher priced diecast models in its day. And correct me if I'm wrong, because I've not been following up much on initial model. So I think recently I've not been seeing any of their diecast new releases, new pre-orders. I'm wondering if they are repositioning to focus more on their resin models and possibly changing the diecast cars into that blister packaging thing. If you do know if you do know about the initial model stuff, right, please do let me know, because I'm kind of out of touch with the initial model stuff. Okay, because there's so many models coming out and I have not been getting a steady flow of my initial model. So yeah, I'm a little bit out of touch. Okay, so we look at the top. So they are all both the same carbon fiber finishing. On the wing, carbon fiber finishing as well for the initial model, but there's no carbon fiber finish. There is. Sorry, I thought there isn't. Yeah, because of the reflection. See, I was looking at this angle. I thought there's not. So the weaving, the carbon fiber weaving does look much nicer on the Y model. Okay. So if we talk about retail price, not aftermarket price, right? Retail price, definitely the Y model, it's much higher than, I think, 1.5 times. Yeah, 1.5 times of the initial model. Okay, so I think it's a fair price gap with the amount of details. So the hood, right? Yeah, it's just, yeah, you just place it on it. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the floor. But on the real car, right, it's supposed to lift up. Okay, it's supposed to have the normal way of opening the hood, right? But Y model just went ahead and, yeah, I think I yeah, I'm totally fine with this to showcase that 2JZ down there, the engine that we've been talking about. Look at the amount of details in there. That's pretty crazy. Even there's more details down here. I don't know what part is what. And this would be the engine cover. Okay, that will be the turbo. Oh, look at that. Pretty crazy, man. That is pretty crazy. Okay. Nice. Nice. Very nice details down here as well. The wiper drainage. Oh, shit. Cool. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Slight details in the interior as well. We can see more obvious details will be at the back. Okay, there's a roll cage in there. Okay. I'll try to see if I can zoom in and show you if there's any details on the dash. I can see I definitely can see the handbrakes and the gear lever. Okay, I think you can see it there as well. And then the steering wheel detail is actually quite nice, quite sharp. Dashboard, speedometer, it's pretty much in black. I can't see much. Okay. But the most obvious difference will be, yeah, this side skirt thing. So from what I hear, right, from the other YouTubers that I've seen, right, one of the things that I really like about the RIDOX body kit is because it kind of preserves the rounded shape of the Supra. It doesn't kill it. It doesn't overshadow the original design of this A80. Nice. Nice. Love that aftermarket big exhaust at the back. That's very nice. And yeah, I stumbled upon something as well, which is there is actually a variant for the JDM market and also for the UK market. So the tail lights, okay, it's in different order. For the UK market, right, the reverse light in white is actually in the middle. Okay, so it will be orange, orange, red, white, and then red. Okay, and then for the UK market, they have actually a standard skirting diffuser splitter. Okay, where it can be capped. Okay, it's automated. It comes down at certain speed. I can't recall what is it. In UK, it's fitted as standard, but in Japan, it's actually optional. So there's two things that, yeah, I just found out about it doing a little bit more research for this video. Nice, very, very nice, very, very nice. So this one with the engine out would definitely fit much better in my displays, because I do quite like to display them out with dioramas. So quick shout out to if you're looking for, to you guys for who's looking for figures, accessory parts, and dioramas, you can actually look up Cube. They do have quite a wide range of ready stock stuff. You can check out their website actually. They also handle most of my ready stock stuff. And maybe I'll just turn the camera a little bit this side, right? So there's actually a new release of figure from Monster Miniature. Initial D. This is actually from the Models twin pack. Okay, the one that came with the MRS. I cannot remember his name. I can't remember his name right now. So, oh my God, what's his name? Oh damn, I'm stuck. I can't recall his name. So yeah, you can find a wide range of initial D figures through Collector's Cube as well. So do look up over at their website. Okay, and yeah, he drives the white Supra. That's why I have it parked here. I took it out from the Models twin pack. Okay, so I think initial model I'll still be collecting them. Yeah, I won't be letting them go for now. Okay, still very, very nice detailed die cast. Oh my God. So this was the only option back then, right? This was the only option back then. So now we have the Y model. I think I like the Y model a little bit more. Yeah, you see, even here, sorry, I'm just gonna carry on a little bit. Even here, right, this intake here, uh, so what I understand as well, for the local JDM versions, right, this was just to cool the brakes, okay, but for UK models, I think the slip diff, they made a bigger slip diff for the UK market, and they somehow they felt the need to have an oil cooler for the slip diff, and in for the UK versions. I think 600 UK versions was made. Okay, so initial model just did a black, yeah, just did a black concave, right? But for the Y model, you can see it's an actual hole. More, yeah, it's much more realistic. Nice, 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 nice. All right, cool. I think that's it for this time around. What else? What else can I tell you? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for this time around. So remember to hit the like button if you haven't done so, because that help me out in the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that I don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. If there's any other diecast or scale models that you want to see, let me know. I'll see if I have them. Then, because there's so many releases back to back, so I try to find time to cover as much as I can. But if you have any cars that you want to see, let me know. Cool. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.